So in this video, I'm going to show you how to, some people call it pre-market or after-market trading, often referred to as extended market trading or whatnot. I'm going to show you exactly how you can enroll into that and how you can do that with Etrade. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Boys and girls and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So first of all, you find the stock you want to buy. For example, I have Apple pulled up. So you're going to hit the buy button. When your ticket order comes up, you're going to say you want to buy one share of Apple or whatever the case may be, and you want to buy it. Now, you got to buy that limit. Buying that limit means that you have to put in a particular price. So right now, Apple is trading for $303.96. So it's trading for $303.96 right now. So you have to put in your price. You want to buy for $304, 00. Whatever price it is that you want to buy or sell at, you put that in. It has to be a limit order if you're doing after extended hours trading, meaning that you're trying to buy before or after the market closes. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to hit, instead of good for the day, when it says duration, you're going to go down to extended hours trading. Extended hour trading. So the extended hours means that some people, before the market opens up at 9:30. You can trade from 7 a.m. to 9:30. And also you can trade for after the market closes at 4 p.m. on the East Coast. You can trade all the way to 7 o'clock at night. Now, there's a lot of risk that's involved with this because there's little to no liquidity, meaning that you can't really sell as much, meaning buying and selling. Also, the prices move faster in the aftermarket. And also, the prices move like that in the aftermarket doesn't mean it's going to translate into the real market. So you could be buying Apple stock for $310 in the pre-market, and when the market opens up, the stock can shoot down to $200 or whatever the case may be. So it's a lot of volatility. That's why you have to have special permissions. Now, when you do this, you're going to hit preview order. Once you hit preview order, it's going to say extended hours disclosure not signed, meaning that I haven't signed a disclosure. So right here, you're going to scroll on down to where it says extended hours agreement. Click on it. Boom. Once you click on it, this is going to tell you the pre-market sessions goes from 7 a.m. into 9:30 a.m. before the market opens. The market opens up 9:30 a.m. It's telling you the regular session when the market is open is 9:30 to 4 p.m. And after the market closes from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern on Monday through Friday, that's the aftermarket section, right? That's when you can buy and sell. You can use this. So you got to stroll down. It's going to give you the risk, liquidity risk, the price changing. It doesn't link to the market. News can be announced in the aftermarket and have wild swings only for professional traders. All this other stuff like that, right? You have to go all the way down. You got to read all of this, and it's going to tell you only can do limit orders, things like that or whatnot, and you hit the agree button. Once you hit that agree button, it's going to ask you to preview the order and place the order. And once you do that, you are good to go. You can trade before market and after market at any time, right? So that's how you can trade pre-market and post-market and aka extended market trading with Etrade. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out.